Welcome to Furnitureland South's How-To series, where we bring you expert advice to elevate your home's design. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of color theory, an essential tool for creating a balanced and visually engaging space. Whether you're a new homeowner or simply looking to refresh your living environment, understanding color theory can transform your space into a true reflection of your style. Color theory is more than just choosing your favorite shades. It's about creating harmony, evoking emotion, and subtly communicating ideas within your home. The colors you choose have the power to influence how you and your guests feel within a space. For example, warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows can uplift and energize, while cool colors like blues, greens, and purples bring calmness and serenity. So let's explore how you can use color theory to create a home that is both beautiful and emotionally resonant. At the heart of color theory is the color wheel, a visual tool that organizes colors by their relationships. The primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, are the building blocks from which all other colors are made. Secondary colors, orange, green, and purple, are created by mixing the primary colors. Then we have tertiary colors, which are blends of primary and secondary colors. Understanding the color wheel is key to creating harmonious color schemes in your home. Let's talk about a few types of color schemes. Analogous colors sit next to each other on the wheel, like blue and green, creating a serene and cohesive look. Complementary colors such as blue and orange are opposite on the wheel and create dynamic, high-contrast spaces. Monochromatic schemes use different shades, tints, and tones of a single color, offering a more subtle and sophisticated vibe. Each color also carries its own emotional and psychological impact. For example, red conveys love, energy, and passion, but can also trigger hunger or aggression. Blue invokes calmness, trust, and stability, making it a popular choice for bedrooms and offices. Green symbolizes balance and tranquility, ideal for spaces where you want to feel relaxed or refreshed. Even brands use color to convey their identity. Think of the warm, inviting red of Coca-Cola, the refreshing green of Starbucks, or the elegant black of Chanel. At Furnitureland South, we proudly represent the colors blue and black, both symbols of luxury. Now that you understand the basics of color, let's explore how to add interest and depth to your space with accent colors. The 60-30-10 rule is a great guideline. 60% of your room should be the dominant color, 30% the secondary color, and 10% an accent color. Accent colors can be introduced through accessories like pillows, rugs, and artwork. Repeating these colors throughout the room creates a seamless rhythm and harmony. A small pop of color in the right place can completely transform your space, making it feel more lively and cohesive. For example, adding a vibrant rug to a neutral living room can inject warmth and energy, while adding green or blue pillows can bring a touch of nature indoors. When selecting a color palette for your home, consider the function and mood of each room. Is it a space for relaxation, productivity, or socializing? Natural light also plays a crucial role in how the color appears. What looks good in one room might not work in another. Existing furnishings, heirlooms, or antiques too should guide your color choices. Aim to create a cohesive palette that flows from room to room. This doesn't mean that every room needs to be the same color, but they should complement each other to maintain a harmonious feel throughout your home. At Furnitureland South, we're not just about selling furniture. We're about helping you create your dream home. Our expert design consultants are here to guide you through the process of applying color theory to your space. With access to the best furniture brands and personalized design advice, we'll help you achieve a home that's beautiful, functional, and uniquely yours. Color Theory is a powerful tool in interior design, allowing you to create spaces that not only look stunning, but also resonate with your personality and lifestyle. Whether you need help with color selection, creating mood boards, or visualizing your space with new furniture, our team is ready to assist. Schedule a free design consultation today and visit our store to see the possibilities for yourself. For more design tips and inspiration, subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with the latest in the interior design industry.